was really good.
It's all right. It was worth it, I'm sure.
Are you ready for my next patient?
You bet. I know you have an intravenous medication to administer. It will be given using a volume control administration set. What is that exactly?
Well, that's when the medication is diluted in a small amount of solution in a volume control set and administered through the patient's IV line, right?
Ah, another unsure student. What is it with you guys? Must be something in the water. Of course you're right.
I'm sorry. There's just concern about the possibility of giving someone too much fluid intravenously, which always makes me nervous.
Why it's being given with a volume control administration set.
Right.
Why don't you gather your supplies and I'll meet you in the prep room in a few minutes.
Okay.
Thanks, Robert. Looks like you've got all of your supplies.
Yeah, I think I do. The MAR, of course, the medication, a needleless syringe, the volume control set, which is already in the room, and alcohol swabs and a medication label.
Very good. So, first?
Well, first, I checked the MAR against the medication order. I also calculated the drip rate for the prescribed infusion time, in this case, 40 drops per minute. Now, I used the MAR to identify the correct medication. And I compare the medication label with the MAR.
I see. Look at you. Next?
Well, next, I'm going to withdraw the medication into the syringe. First, let me wipe the tip here. Okay. Okay. I'm ready.
And then what?
And I rechecked the label against the MAR.
Great. Then you'll want to prepare a label for the volume control administration set.
Oh, the label's right here. It's already been prepared by the pharmacy.
Good. You know, the label should include the patient's name, ID number, medication name, the name and volume of the solution for dilution, and dose, date, and time. And you're going to double-check all of this against the MAR.
All right. I think it's set. Let's do it.
There's the confidence. Hello.
Afternoon, Mrs. Parker.
Good afternoon.
How are you feeling?
I'm doing quite well, thank you.
Oh, good. I'm here with my instructor, Miss Swenson,
Hello.
to administer an antibiotic. Is that okay?
That sounds fine. I have no problem with that.
Good. Let me take a look at your ID band.
Good idea.
Okay. And tell me your name.
Sylvia Parker.
Good. I'll just clean my hands. I'll be back.
Great idea.
So you feeling a bit better?
I am doing quite well, really.
Good. Glad to hear it.
I like.
You're in good hands.
All right. I'm back.
Robert, did you check the compatibility of the antibiotic with the primary IV solution?
Oh, yes, I've checked. They're compatible.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let me take a look at your IV site. Looks like it's free from infiltration and inflammation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so first, I begin by opening the clamp between the IV solution and the volume control administration set. And then I fill the chamber with the prescribed amount of solution to dilute the medication, in this case 40 cc's. And there it goes. Then now it's okay to close the clamp. Go. Now I take an alcohol swab and I clean the medication injection port of the volume control set.
Oh, very good, dear. I am impressed.
Thank you. Now I...
It's time to remove the cap from the medication.
Oh. That's right. Let me put this down. Okay.
Insert the syringe into the port
Okay.
and inject the medication into the chamber.
All right.
And then you agitate the volume control chamber to mix the IV solution with the medication.
That's exactly right.
But how did you know
Oh,
that...
I was an RN for 15 years. I'm retired now, but, you know, some things you can never forget.
Then use an alcohol swab to clean the injection port on the primary IV infusion tubing closest to the patient.
And then, if I remember correctly, you insert the tubing into the injection port.
Absolutely right.
Good.
Thank you.
And then you finally open the roller clamp on the volume control device tubing
Okay.
and regulate that flow based on your calculated and prescribed rate. And then attach a label to the volume control device.
Right again.
Oh, how fun. Oh, hi.
Hey, Mrs. Parker. How's it going?
Good, good.
All right. Ladies, my turn.
Oh, all right.
Now that the infusion is finished, I close the roller clamp.
Uh-huh.
I remove the volume control device.
Very good.
Okay. And I recap it. Then I recheck the flow rate of the primary infusion.
Very good.
Thank you. All right, Mrs. Parker, is there anything else we can do for you?
Well, now that you mention it, perhaps you could bring by some other nursing students. I'm sort of enjoying this teaching thing.
Will do. You have a nice afternoon.
Thank you.
See you later, Mrs. Parker.
See you. So nice to see you. Good luck.
Thank you very much.